Hello, everyone. I'm a gentle chef. I didn't expect to pour a can of Coke into the pork belly. It's a classic dish that's popular all over the world. Because I made it at home, I made some improvements. This is a real experience sharing. No need to fry sugar. It's not greasy when it's out of the pan. It melts in your mouth and smells good. Today, Etienne will share with you the detailed method. Today, I'm going to show you how to make braised pork with pork. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make braised pork belly. Let's take a look. We have soaked a lot of blood. This is the main source of the fishy smell of pork belly. We try to wash it twice with clean water. Wash until the water is clear, then take it out to control the water. Be sure to use kitchen paper towels to dry the surface of the water, so that when we fry it, it will not break the oil. First, don't put oil in the pan. Make sure the pan is slightly smoked. Then add some cooking oil. Soak the pan for a while. Heat the oil again until it is slightly smoked. Then pour out all the oil. At this time, we can put the pork belly in the pan. In this way, whether it is fried eggs, fried pork belly, fried tofu, or fried other dishes, it will not stick to the pan. First, drain the water inside, then fry the fat inside. The braised pork is fragrant and not greasy. When making braised pork, some people like to blanch it. Some people like to fry it in oil. In fact, they want to make it delicious. Each person has their own experience. As long as you can do it yourself, it's good. Let's take a look. After the water is dry, the fat slowly seeps out. Continue to turn on medium and low heat. Fry slowly. Keep frying until the surface is golden brown like this. Then pour out the excess fat. Use it to fry vegetables. Next, add a few pieces of ginger, scallion, star anise, cinnamon, bay leaf, and dried chili. Today this is the improved version, no need to fry sugar. The final step is coming, pour a can of Coke into it. A little dark soy sauce, stir it a little bit. Let's get started. Finally, season it. Just add a little bit of salt. The fat meat melts in your mouth, and the fat texture is well mixed. The lean meat absorbs the soup, but it doesn't stick to your teeth. The sweet and salty caramel sauce is very harmonious. The caramel sugar of the Coke is sweet and fragrant on the surface of the meat. With a slight caramel scent, it won't taste bad, but it makes the meat smell more prominent. The taste is a little light Coke fragrance. I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, today's video is simply shared here. See you in the next video. At the end of the video, I wish you a happy day. 8 teeth shine the sun. Thank you. Thank you.